Hi friends, it's Miss Renee here with your Preschoodles Digital Storytime.
Today for our dinosaur pack, we're reading Dinosaurs, Dinosaurs by Byron Barton. A long time ago, there were dinosaurs. There were dinosaurs with horns. And dinosaurs with spikes. There were dinosaurs with clubs on their tails. And dinosaurs with armored plates. There were dinosaurs with sails on their backs. There were dinosaurs with long, sharp claws and long, sharp teeth. And dinosaurs with long, long necks and long, long tails. There were big dinosaurs and small dinosaurs. There were fierce dinosaurs and scared dinosaurs. There were hungry dinosaurs and very tired and very, very sleepy dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, a long time ago. The end.
I hope you enjoyed our Preschoodles Storytime. Have a great day and don't forget to visit preschoodles.com for more.